Hey guys, this is Old Man Wags here with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers. What we're talking to you today about is practical chemical application and detergent application in the field itself. We've cleaned 3 different sections of concrete, and what we've done with each one is did a control test with just water. We flooded the entire surface with detergent, covered this, surface cleaned it again, surface cleaned this one in one pass, and then actually did the curbing. Let's talk about the importance of each step. What this one demonstrated is the power of what water can do by itself. The surface came pretty clean, however it didn't come out great. You can tell there's a difference because as soon as I added the detergent, in this case I was using Nastee, I was able to pull more dirt, more oil, and just more generic surface staining from the surface itself. That was in 2 passes with the surface cleaner, and actually if we look right here to our second portion of concrete, I was able to get the exact same end result by just putting the detergent on first before doing any pre-treatment. So what that means is, in this one I took twice as long to get the same result. In this one, because I used the right detergent, followed the right process, I was able to cut down on my cleaning time. Now let's talk about the third application. Right here in this last strip of gutter, it was significantly darker. It had all the runoff from everything that was already going towards it, as well as everything that's run off these buildings for the last 20 or so years. Because again, this has never actually been cleaned before. As you can tell from what we've got going on, we've got a pretty consistent clean moving down that entire surface. What happened here? Well, the detergent was able to actually activate because it sat there for as long as was needed. The dwell time was appropriate for the surface. Even though the exact same amount of soap was used across this entire thing, this came out just as clean as our surface cleaned area that was already done before. What that means is by using the right chemical mix, the right detergents, and the right process, you can save time and money and energy and get a better cleaning result. This is Old Man Wags here with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers. We'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section below. Let's kill some dirt.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.